What if we told you one of the world's richest people just spent more in a single year on AI than it cost to build some national space programs? That's right, Elon Musk's xAI burned through a mind-boggling $6.4 billion last year. It is a figure that has sent shockwaves through the tech world. Why did he do it? Where's all that money really going? And what does this tell us about the future of AI and Musk's latest tech empire? Stick around as we break down the bombshell details hidden in SpaceX's new IPO filing and why the spending at xAI is just getting started. Now, before we dive deep into the numbers and Musk's playbook, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. We want to hear from you. Let us know in the comments, do you think this level of spending on AI is genius or reckless? We read every comment and we want to know your thoughts. So, let's start with the headline. SpaceX, Elon Musk's rocket company that has rewritten the rules of space launch, just filed for an IPO. Normally that's huge news on its own, but here's the twist. In that filing, we got our first ever confirmed look at the financials for xAI, Musk's AI venture. Turns out, xAI lost a staggering $6.4 billion in the year 2025 alone. That's not a typo. xAI is pouring cash into AI at an unprecedented level. But what exactly is xAI, and why does it need mountains of money? It was founded to take on the giants in a winner-take-all race for artificial general intelligence. You may have heard of Grok. That's xAI's flagship chatbot and Musk's answer to ChatGPT. It's designed to be smarter, faster, and more uncensored. But training and scaling a model as ambitious as Grok is absurdly expensive. We're talking billions for servers, chips, and energy costs. These are the same NVIDIA GPUs that every major company is fighting for. We see companies paying massive premiums just to be at the front of the line. Reportedly, xAI is building one of the biggest supercomputing clusters ever attempted, aiming to leapfrog competitors like OpenAI and Google DeepMind. The plan, roll out Grok to far more users, increase its capabilities, and push the technology to places no one else has dared to go. Now we have to ask, why? Why risk burning so much cash when there are so many unknowns in the current AI landscape? Here's where Musk is playing the long game. The xAI burn rate is astronomical because we believe whoever wins this race will own the future. Not just the future of chatbots, but the future of information, productivity, and maybe even humanity itself. This is a battle for the foundation of society. Let's get practical. Consider how previous platforms like OpenAI's GPT-4 cost hundreds of millions. Those were the most expensive projects just months ago. Now, through xAI, we are operating at an even larger scale, aiming to deliver an AI that's a commercial product used by billions of people. SpaceX's filing makes a strong argument. This investment is just the beginning. Launching Grok at scale isn't a one-and-done expense. Analysts estimate that the cost of entry for next-gen AI isn't just getting higher, it's skyrocketing. If you're not spending billions, you're not in the game. Let's break down the compute moat. This $6.4 billion isn't just software, it's physical infrastructure. We are seeing a shift from cloud to custom AI fabrics. To understand the scale, we have to look at the H100 and B200 Blackwell chips. Buying these in bulk requires more than just money, it requires political leverage. Then there's the power. A cluster this size consumes as much electricity as a small city. We're talking about dedicated power substations just for Grok's brain. But hardware is only half the story. We must consider the talent war. The industry's top PhDs now command compensation packages in the millions. Musk has been aggressively recruiting from Google, Tesla, and even OpenAI. When we see a $6.4 billion burn, a massive chunk is securing the world's brightest minds. Why was this in the SpaceX filing? We believe it's because of the deep synergy. SpaceX provides the satellite backbone for global Grok access. There is also the shared compute. When rockets aren't launching, that processing power can be redirected to training AI. It's a vertically integrated empire. What does this mean for the industry? First, expect the AI arms race to accelerate. Competitors will scramble to match xAI's scale. This drive will continue to push up the price of GPUs, talent, and energy worldwide. Every major player will be forced to spend even more just to stay relevant. Second, this signals a growing consolidation. Only those with the deepest pockets, Musk, Google, Microsoft, will be able to compete at the frontier. That could mean faster breakthroughs, but also more concentration of power and potentially fewer options for the rest of us in the long run. Third, for anyone thinking about AI for their own business, this is a wake-up call. You can't outspend the giants, so you must out-innovate them in niches. The scale of investment for general AI is rising fast, but there's still plenty of room for specialized applications that don't require $6 billion. So, big picture, $6.4 billion isn't just a headline, it's a warning shot. Musk is betting big, and he's reshaping the whole landscape before our eyes. The story of Grok and xAI is about a lot more than just who builds the best chatbot, it's about who controls the future of technology itself. We also need to discuss the philosophical shift. xAI's uncensored stance isn't just a feature, it's a mission to create an AI that doesn't hallucinate corporate safety. Musk often says xAI's goal is to understand the universe. That level of ambition is what justifies the burn. We are watching the birth of a new kind of oracle. But is it sustainable? We must ask if we are in an AI bubble waiting to pop. If the revenue doesn't follow the spending, even Musk has limits. However, with Grok integrated into X, Tesla's Optimus, and the fleet of millions of cars, we see a path to monetization that others simply don't have. This isn't just a Silicon Valley story, it's a global shift in how resources are allocated. We're choosing silicon over steel, algorithms over infrastructure. What do you think? Will Elon Musk's go big or go home approach win out, or is this a massive miscalculation? We want to know your take. Make sure you watch the related video right there in the corner to get even more insights on the latest breakthroughs in tech and AI. We've got more to share. Thanks so much for watching. If you're serious about what AI can do for your business, book a chat with us using the link in the description box below, and let's talk. We can help you navigate this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more honest, in-depth takes on the tech shaping our lives. We'll see you in the next one.